How to add a video overlay or simply a small video playing on top of the main video that you are editing with the N Video Editor app. All right, so in order to achieve this, make sure you have the latest update. This is an app for Android devices, and let's get started. To add a video overlay, simply go ahead and tap on this option right here when you're ready to do that. So go ahead and do this here and select the one that says Photos. Then make sure you're on the video section right here, or if it's a photo, you can choose a photo. So let's just say I want to add this one here. As you tap on it, it's going to appear here. And also you can choose to shrink the size of it, make it bigger if you want to, move it around. And also once it is selected to the bottom area, these tools, whatever you do down here, will apply to this one here. So maybe that video had some audio playing and you don't want that video to have the audio, you can adjust it with this here. You can also crop the video if you want to. If it's too big, make it play faster or slower, or even use the background removal tool here, which I'll do another in-depth video on another video, okay? But for now, for the basics here, you can also hold this down here and drag it to where you want it to be in the timeline area as to where it will start. So you can see that is appearing in another area. And that's basically it. You can always go with the replace option to switch out the video and also delete it. And that's it. I'll do the keyframe tutorial in another video, like and so.